Who doesn't want to have a house that is safe, that is chemical free, in a way that we don't have to worry about our children or our pets getting sick? We're taking a deep dive into non-toxic cleaning products to give you the good, the bad, and the ugly about Truly Free. Let's dive in. Hello there, my name is Vernon, and we're going to be talking about non-toxic laundry cleaning detergents. We're going to be talking about the whole gamut of non-toxic cleaners that are safe for your house and we're using our house. And we're going to give an honest review of Truly Free. Hello everybody, I want to welcome you to my channel. My name is Vernon and I am a health coach and I have been for well over 20 years. And this channel is all about bringing you the hottest new trends, the hottest new reviews on products that you need to have in your house. Make sure you stick around to the end because you want to make sure that you're around for some of these important warnings I'm going to be sharing with you to make sure that your house stays chemical free and nice and healthy. Make sure you stay to the end. First up, I want to say if you're interested in buying Truly Free laundry wash or any other cleaner products, make sure you buy from their official website that you're going to find in the description right down below. This way, when you buy from the official website, you don't have to worry about any imitation things coming up, as you can throw you completely in a different track. Buying it from the official website, again, I got that link in the description box right down below. Let's dive into this. So what's the big deal with Truly Free as a brand and Truly Free laundry wash what I have in my hand? Does it even work? The answer is a resounding yes. The stains that aren't on my clothes are saying that, and the smells that I'm smelling on my clothes are saying yes. This detergent stands against the top brands on the market right now, and I can honestly say that because we have tried them all. What the scary thing is about these detergents that they're on the market and they have so many toxic chemicals in those. Formaldehyde, chlorine, ammonia, and these things cause irritations, but not Truly Free, and that's why I'm such a big believer of this brand. Some of you might experience maybe from like the scents or maybe from your eyes become irritated from other detergents. I know in our house, when my son, he's 8 years old, and the thing that gets to him is he has sensitive skin, but I also have sensitive skin too, so we have to be very aware. And with you using other different types of detergents, when you go back and you research them, you find out that they're not safe. You find out that it causes some sort of irritations, aka we started breaking out, we couldn't figure out why. But what I love about Truly Free is this is all taken care of. They are a brand that cares and they deliver. Truly Free laundry wash provides a safer, cleaner environment for yourself and for all of us in the world. Over 18,000 people have voiced their opinion and said that this is a great product, and that's what honestly led me to that. To be toxin free, to be all natural, and they do extensive testing, and they have perfected the toxin-free formula game. I think what I love about this, and super adult word coming up, you know, ooey gooey mainstream formulas that you see, it gets all sticky, and then it leaves this heavily perfumed or heavily kind of cologne scent on your clothes where they're not really getting clean. They just have a really strong scent, and there is a difference. With Truly Free, when you pick this up, you can feel it in the clothes, you can smell it in the clothes, and it's not this heavy scent, it's a nice, light, refreshing scent. Nothing overpowering here. I think another thing that's crazy that I found out when I was looking at all of these mainstream detergents is these things will start tearing your washing machine apart and into pieces. They will start breaking down different components because of the chemicals that are in them. Truly Free is designed to be much easier on equipment, washing machines. It's designed to make sure that it's a product that is safe for your house and it delivers a great result without tearing down any of our hard-earned money with products or accessories that we bought. Truly Free works really hard to make sure our products, our appliances are taken care of. For anyone who's concerned that, hey, this seems really complicated, let me make it really simple for you. You take this ingredient right here, and then you take this bottle right here, and you pour this in, you mix it with warm water, and you shake it up. Done. No mess, takes a few simple steps that's protecting your environment, both your interior of your house and also its safe ingredients that are non-toxic. And also, it smells amazing. No heavy perfumes, and it also won't damage your equipment. It won't damage your countertops. It won't damage your clothes, which I love. Even a scent booster is amazing. And it's another thing I want to mention is when these squirt bottles, they are high volume. They have a huge variety of products that you're going to love. One of my favorites is going to be the floor cleaner. And if you can see in this video right here, it does a great job and it makes cleaning really easy. Because one thing I love about it is not only are things clean, but we know that sometimes our kids drop things on the floor. The last thing we want to worry about is them putting some harsh chemicals in their mouth that could hurt them. With Truly Free, you don't have to worry about that. And by the way, if you're ordering Truly Free, I want to let you know they truly care about security on their website. Your personal details are in safe hands. And another thing that's really cool though is they really stand by their product. They have a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied for any reason whatsoever, they pledge to refund you your money. As a reminder, the company cannot be held liable for counterfeit products. Make sure you buy it from the official website in the description box right down below. Enjoy the multitude of benefits of having Truly Free in your home, in your washing machine, on your floor, on your walls, on your grill as a degreaser, and quite honestly, enriching your entire life. Thanks again for watching. If you like content like this, leave a comment. And by the way, if you have any questions, comment as well, because I'm here to answer those questions. I do my best to watch those. I'm gonna see you on the next review next time. Peace.